Take your right foot across your left knee and place it on the mat. Make sure your hip does not lift off the mat. Place your right hand behind you for support. Inhale, lift the left arm, twist and place your hand on the foot. Look over your right shoulder. If you cannot reach your foot, bend your elbow and place your hand on your shoulder across. Use your upper arm to push the knee back. Make sure there is no tension in the shoulders.
Pile your feet one on top of the other. Treat them as one unit. And now, bring your left hand on your knees. Take your right hand behind. Now this is going to be a twist, and before you do any twist, always engage your core, lengthen your spine, open out your shoulders, and then as you exhale, twist back. You bend your left foot, place it a couple of inches away from your right thigh, drop your left hand from behind, stretch your right hand up, use your right hand, push your left knee in, wrap it round, bring your left hand from behind and lock. And as you inhale, lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, twist back. Once again, stay here for a minimum of 5 deep breaths. And to release asana, simply release, stretch your hands up, bring it down.
Now begin to sit in chair pose, but this time place your torso completely onto your thighs by extending your arms all the way forward, and place your palms really wide and nice and onto the mat so that you gain some balance. And once you're ready, just bring your left elbow onto the right side of your thigh so that you create a nice twist onto your spine by bringing your arms together in Namaste position.